Here's another preventative maintenance that you all should be doing, all of you. And it doesn't matter what you ride. For my headset here is a 30mm for the top Triple Tree bolt. You're just going to loosen it. I already loosened mine, as you can see there. Before you tighten that up, I'm going to take a white marker, shake it up good, and then what I'll do is I'll mark this. So what I did was I just marked that right there. You want to be able to see that if that moved or not, meaning if it's loose. Take a flat screwdriver and make sure that it fits in there, and you want to drive it clockwise. Here's my little mechanic. Say hello. And all you're going to do is, just making sure I have the right tool here. You don't have to go to town, just see if it moves, not loosening after a certain kilometer. I have over 20, so I think it's about time. Oh wow, look at that. Yes, definitely. Definitely. And I'm just tapping this thing. So when you're getting front steering wheel wobble, this could fix it. And you want to make sure that you have your your front wheel off from the floor. You guys see how much that moved there? Right there, right? And I was just tapping it, okay? So there it is, 20,000 kilometers. Of course, don't forget to tighten up that guy right there. And make sure you know what the torque is for that boat. And for future reference, you can mark your Triple Tree there like what I did, so you know when it's loosening up. Till the next time, I'm out.